Stoicism quotes on death. Quote 1. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius, a prominent Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, reminds us that the essence of life lies in living fully. Fear of death often prevents people from embracing life's experiences. Stoicism encourages individuals to focus on the present, making the most of every moment without being paralyzed by the inevitable prospect of death. Marcus Aurelius wrote his personal philosophical reflections in a series of writings known as Meditations, which were not intended for publication but have since become a classic in Stoic philosophy. Embrace each day with gratitude and purpose, understanding that a fulfilling life is marked by the quality of experiences rather than the quantity of years. Face challenges, pursue passions, and build meaningful connections without letting the fear of mortality overshadow the joy of living. Underscore 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 underscore. Quote 2. He who fears death will never do anything worth of a man who is alive. Seneca. Seneca, another influential Stoic philosopher, emphasizes the connection between fear of death and a limited, unfulfilled life. The Stoic perspective encourages individuals to transcend the fear of death, as it is only by confronting mortality that one can truly appreciate the value and potential of life. Seneca was not only a philosopher but also a playwright and advisor to Emperor Nero. His works include letters to friends and essays on various topics, reflecting the practical wisdom of Stoicism. Use the awareness of life's transience as a motivator. Channel the energy that would otherwise be spent on fearing death into actions that contribute to personal growth, positive impact on others, and the pursuit of a life well lived. Underscore 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 underscore. Underscore 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 underscore. Quote 3. Death is a release from the impressions of the senses, and from desires that make us their puppets, and from the vagaries of the mind, and from the hard service of the flesh. Epictetus. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher known for his emphasis on personal agency and resilience, views death as liberation from the burdens of sensory experiences, desires, and the challenges of the physical body. Stoicism teaches that by freeing ourselves from attachments, we attain a higher state of tranquility and wisdom. Epictetus, born a slave, later became a prominent teacher of Stoicism in Rome. His teachings were transcribed by his student Arrian and compiled into the Discourses. Reflect on the impermanence of desires and external circumstances. By practicing detachment from material possessions and fleeting emotions, one can cultivate a sense of inner freedom and resilience in the face of life's uncertainties. Quote 4. Death smiles at us all we can do is smile back. Seneca. Seneca's perspective on death emphasizes the inevitability of mortality and the importance of facing it with resilience and acceptance. By acknowledging the universality of death, individuals can approach life with a sense of humility and an appreciation for the present moment. Seneca's Stoic philosophy greatly influenced later thinkers, including Renaissance writers like Michel de Montaigne and the early modern philosophers of the Enlightenment. Cultivate a mindset of acceptance towards the transient nature of life. Instead of fearing death, focus on living authentically and contributing positively to the world. This approach fosters a sense of peace and contentment. Underscore 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 underscore. Quote 5. Don't behave as if you are destined to live forever. What's fated hangs over you. As long as you live and while you can, become good now. Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius underscores the importance of recognizing the impermanence of life. Stoicism encourages individuals to prioritize ethical living and personal growth, as these aspects contribute to a meaningful existence regardless of the finite nature of life. Marcus Aurelius, often referred to as the philosopher king, faced numerous challenges during his reign, and his Stoic philosophy provided him with a resilient mindset. Live each day with a sense of purpose and virtue. Recognize that time is finite, and use it wisely to cultivate your character, contribute to society, and leave a positive legacy. Underscore 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 underscore. Underscore 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 underscore. Quote 6. He who has learned how to die has unlearned how to be a slave. Michel de Montaigne, inspired by Seneca. Montaigne, drawing inspiration from Seneca, suggests that embracing the concept of death liberates individuals from the fears and anxieties that may otherwise dominate their lives. By confronting mortality, one gains a profound sense of freedom. Michel de Montaigne, a French Renaissance philosopher, popularized the essay as a literary form. His work often explores human nature and the pursuit of wisdom. Reflect on your fears and attachments. By confronting it,